this problem, we just need to decompose vector f in the direction of vector I, unit vector I, and unit vector j. Right. So that's pretty simple. We have the magnitude of 31 pounds. So we have the magnitude of f equal to 31 pounds. Let's just ignore the unit for a moment. And the angle met with the ground is horizontal. So it's going to be 30 degrees with the ground. And that's what we have. Right. So what we need to find is the component in, we can say this is the force F in the y component, and this is the force in the x component. This vector is the same as this vector, so we can say this also in the y component. Right. So we can write sine of 30 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse, but it's not going to be the vector f, it's going to be the magnitude of f. So we can write simply as sine of 30 degrees equal to f of y, the opposite, over the hypotenuse, which is f of y over 30. And multiply 30 on this side, so we will have the vector in y component is going to be equal to 30 times sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. I'm sorry, the magnitude is 31. It's not, so it's going to be 31. Should be 31, and sine of 30 is 1/2. So this is going to be 31 over 2. That is in the y component. Right. So just say f of y. Now in the x component, it's going to be adjacent to 30. So it will be cosine of 30 is f of y over magnitude of f. Sorry, this is going to be x now. And multiply, we have f of x equal to 31 cosine of 30 degrees. Cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2, and that is f of x. So if we decompose vector f, the force, it will be in the force f, the vector is equal to the x component, the horizontal component, times the vector I, unit vector I, plus 31 over 2 vector j. And that's what we have. But let's just recap. Fy is equal to the magnitude of f times the sine of the angle, and f of x is the magnitude of f times the cosine of the angle. Right, and that's what we have.